guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're brand new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because you're not going to want to miss what we've got coming up for you in the near future. So I have a question for all you guys out there. What do you do with bread that has gone a day old? Maybe it's not fresh anymore. Maybe it's even stale. What do? Do you throw it away? You shouldn't, because I've got good news for you. See, in today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how simple and easy it is to make croutons, and you will never throw that old bread away again. Crouton comes from the French word meaning crust. In French cooking, the crouton describes the cooking process that transforms the bread into crust. And without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get our crouton. Here's the final product. After taking them out from the oven, you want to cool them down completely and either use them immediately or store them in a Ziploc bag, put them on a shelf in a cool place for about up to 2 weeks. Isn't it amazing that bread that you were just about to throw out, you can actually increase the shelf life for 2 more weeks if you turn these little homemade, bite-sized, crunchy toast croutons, giving a longer life to them. In this recipe, we used whole wheat bread, but that's not going to stop you from buying gluten-free bread and doing the same thing with it. As far as seasonings, all we did was use garlic and Italian seasonings, but you could use whatever seasonings you want. And if you're looking for more of a butter-flavored crouton, then substitute the olive oil with butter. That way, you could be all buttered up. You can use these croutons for just about anything. Salads and soups are the most popular things that you could use these for. Enough talking, let's try this out. Here's looking at you. Crunchy, perfect, just the way it should be. I love it. I love the flavors that we use. We've got the Italian seasonings made with oregano and thyme, with the garlic. It's just really over the top. We did not add salt to this, just for those of you who are wondering. No salt is needed and required. You've got enough flavors in here. Let me know down in the comments below what your favorite seasoning is for your croutons. And while you're here, why not go ahead and click on like, share with all your friends and family, click on that little bell, and you'll be notified when my next videos upload. And until next time, be healthy and keep on rocking.